Here we go. Let me turn this down. Whoop, I turned it up. My good friend Thomas, who has supported me for years and bought radios for me to review on my show, sent me 3 new radios this week. Unfortunately, 2 I had already reviewed, but this one is one I was looking for. And this is the XHDATA model D-221. And it's AM, FM, shortwave, and the weather band. So it's an emergency radio right there. NOAA weather radio. The shortwave band is, let me peek in here, 5.6 to 22 megahertz. The antenna for shortwave, FM, and NOAA is only 8.5 inches. Really, really short. But for FM and NOAA, it does a fine job. For shortwave, not so good. But I was surprised this morning, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, I was able to receive 3 stations on shortwave, all within the United States, of course. Unfortunately, it is a DSP receiver, and the muting while tuning on shortwave only is atrocious. And I will show that to you in a few minutes. So that's a negative. Uses 2 AA batteries, which it does not come with. Can you see the tuning bar? It's right there. There are other versions of this in different colors. This yellow tuning bar is very visible, but on the yellow radio with a yellow tuning bar, it's impossible to see. I actually saw a YouTube video where a gentleman showed you how to take this apart and paint the tuning bar a different color so you could see it. It's really hard to see. But it's not a big deal because it's an analog type tuning, so you just use it by feel and listening. Not a big deal. It does have a power LED, very bright LED, and does have a tiny, well, it's got a kickstrap. It has a carrying strap and a kickstand. The only problem with the kickstand is it puts it way back. Maybe I'm being exaggerating. It puts it back much further than I would like to see it. I would like to see it like, let me get over here, like that instead of like that. You can get this off of Amazon. It's $19 right now with a 10% discount right now. I don't know how long that 10% discount will last, but it's there. So very good value for your money. You get all those bands, and does not have a MP3 player. It does not have Bluetooth. It's strictly AM, FM, shortwave, and weather band. So let's try. We're on the weather band. It's coming in very clear.
Tuesday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or less.
I'm getting a hum. That's normal in my office where I'm at now. There we have hum.
5 to 10 knots. Seas 1 foot or
And let's
less.
see. This is right there is where the dial indicator is. I know you probably can't see it,
for the following marine location, coastal waters from Tarpon Springs,
especially if I can't get the camera to focus. Come on, camera, focus. All right, I give up. Okay, let's go down to the bottom of the band. And there's one.
was 30.18 inches and steady.
So you don't notice the muting while tuning.
Seas 1
There's
foot
the one I had.
Wave detail, southwest 1 foot at 4 seconds.
Usually the best I can do is 3 stations, 3 frequencies for NOAA. There's maybe the third one.
Friday night,
Yeah.
partly cloudy.
So it got all 3 loud and clear in my office with lots of electronics interfering and with this 8.5-inch antenna. So that's great. That's great. Okay, let's go to, here's the band select and here's the earphone jack. Let's go to FM and then we'll have to tune really fast to stay off music. Okay, we're at the top of the band. This is the US version, so it has on medium wave, it has increments of 10 kilohertz, although you can't tell it. But it's also the fact that it starts at, excuse me, 5, excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I get excited when I lose my voice. It does start at 52, 520. Okay, we're at top of the band, FM, tune fast, get it key off so we can stay off music. Yep. Oh, it's picking up a lot of stations. Oh yeah, I gotta tune fast. I'm skipping a lot of stuff because I'm trying to stay off it. Music. So you can, I'm gonna stop right there. Whoa! I'm gonna stop there on FM. It's picking up so many stations that it's almost continuous music. So let's get off of that band. Let's go to medium wave. We'll go to the bottom. I can't even see what, there it is. Can't really see where the indicator is. There, we're at the bottom of the band. Now it probably wants me to face it that way, so we'll see. Well, I'll hold it that way.
30 years. It's a community of Christians who have shared $5 billion
Oh yeah.
of each other's bills.
This thing is really sensitive. I'm tuning fast once again, so I'm missing some. You can notice the muting while tuning. It's not bad. This is a very sensitive radio. Yep. Gotta stay away from that music. So I'm skipping a lot of stations because I'm tuning fast to stay away from music. Okay, there's top of the band. So it was very sensitive on AM and FM. Now, for the heck of it, we'll try shortwave. That's shortwave. We're at the top of the band, which is 22 megahertz. We'll try to, you'll really notice the muting while tuning. So we'll tune pretty slow. Turn it down a little bit. Hear that? Picking up a lot of noise from my office. That muting while tuning drives me nuts. Tuning is really smooth. About almost halfway down the band, 15 megahertz, or somewhere around 15. This time of the morning, the lower frequencies are best. Boy, that was a lot of noise. Well, I found 3 before. Not doing so good this time. I'll go slower because, like I say, right now, best to receive on lower part of the band. I just passed 10 megahertz. Should be something around 6 megahertz. There we go. If I can tune it in, there we go. That's probably about 6 megahertz. Okay, that's it. So this time we only got one station. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I tuned pretty fast because of that meeting while tuning. I could have missed stations. Not a bad little radio. I was really amazed at AM, FM, and the weather band. I got 3 stations on the weather band. I usually only get about 2 with a small radio like this. I got 3, all were clear. So I'm impressed with this little radio. Again, this is the XHDATA model D-221. It's sells for about $19. Right now there's a 10% discount, and I am going to put it in my Amazon store. And this is all it comes with. It doesn't come with batteries. It doesn't have charger capability. This is it. Oh, there's the colors that it comes in. Let me put this down for a second. With this color and this color, that yellow band marker is very visible. But this color, which is what I got, it's almost impossible to see it. And like I said, there is a video on this radio of how you can take this apart and paint that band marker a different color. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm showing you things you're interested in and not wasting your time. I don't want to waste your time. If you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. That helps me get more viewers, because YouTube's algorithm, which I don't know exactly how that works, depending on what your show does, it put other places for people to find. I get like 70% of my views are people who have just found my show. They could be subscribers, maybe not. Okay, so much for that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.